Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you plastic bottles outdoor decor ideas. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is viewers So friends, plastic bottles are easy to find, simple to work with, perfect for creative decoration. Turn plastic bottle into colorful flower pot, paint them in bright color, add fun design and plant your favorite flower or herb. Make hanging planters by cutting the bottles and adding strong top. Hang them on a wall face, fence or balcony to create a beautiful vertical garden. And reverse create a lovely garden lantern using clear plastic bottles. Decorate them with paint or colorful paper and place battery of power LED lights inside for a magical evening glow. And viewers, friends, my next idea is viewers design a pot feeder by cutting small opening in a border and filling it with bird seed. Hang it from a tree and enjoy watching birds visit your garden. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates.